Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering what really makes Amazon an unstoppable business empire. Amazon, founded by the visionary Jeff Bezos, has evolved over the years into a global e-commerce powerhouse, transforming the way we shop, work, and even live. From its humble beginnings as an online bookstore, Amazon has expanded into a diverse range of industries, including cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and physical retail. Today, Amazon is the world's largest online marketplace, with a market value of over $1 trillion, and its impact on the global economy is undeniable. Competition from other retailers is one of the significant challenges Amazon faces, as companies like Walmart, Alibaba, and eBay strive to gain a larger share of the e-commerce market. Amazon's ability to stay ahead of the competition is constantly being tested, and the company must continually innovate and adapt to changing consumer behavior and technological advancements. Regulatory scrutiny in various countries is another challenge Amazon faces, as governments and regulatory bodies examine the company's business practices, tax policies, and impact on local economies. Amazon has faced criticism and fines in several countries, including the European Union, where it has been accused of violating antitrust laws and exploiting its market dominance. Amazon's expansion into new markets and industries has also created challenges for the company, as it must navigate complex regulatory environments and compete with established players. For example, Amazon's acquisition of Whole Foods Market in 2017 marked a significant entry into the grocery market, but it also raised concerns about the company's impact on smaller retailers and local food systems. Amazon has also faced challenges in its cloud computing business, as rivals like Microsoft and Google strive to gain a larger share of the market. Despite these challenges, Amazon remains a dominant player in the cloud computing space, with its Amazon Web Services division generating significant revenue and driving innovation. The rise of e-commerce in emerging markets has created new opportunities for Amazon, but it also poses significant challenges, as the company must adapt to local consumer preferences, regulatory requirements, and infrastructure constraints. Amazon has invested heavily in expanding its operations in countries like India, China, and Brazil, but it faces intense competition from local players and must continually innovate to stay ahead. Furthermore, Amazon's global supply chain and logistics network are critical to its success, but they also create challenges, as the company must manage complex networks of suppliers, manufacturers, and delivery partners to ensure timely and efficient delivery of products to customers. Amazon's focus on customer service has been a key factor in its success, as the company has continually innovated and improved its services to meet the evolving needs of its customers. From its early days as an online bookstore, Amazon has prioritized customer satisfaction, offering features like personalized recommendations, one-click ordering, and fast shipping. The company's customer-obsessed culture has driven innovation and experimentation, as Amazon continually tests new services and features to enhance the customer experience. Amazon's commitment to customer service has paid off, as the company has built a loyal customer base and achieved high levels of customer satisfaction and retention. Amazon's innovative culture has been a driving force behind its success, as the company has continually pushed the boundaries of what is possible in e-commerce, technology, and beyond. From its early experiments with drone delivery to its current focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning, Amazon has consistently demonstrated a willingness to take risks and invest in new technologies and business models. The company's innovation pipeline is constantly filled with new ideas and initiatives, as Amazon's engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs work together to develop and launch new products and services. Amazon's acquisition of companies like Zappos, Twitch, and Ring has also brought new talent and expertise into the company, further accelerating its innovation efforts. Amazon's diversification of services has been another key factor in its success, as the company has expanded beyond its core e-commerce business into new areas like cloud computing, advertising, and physical retail. The company's Amazon Web Services division has become a significant contributor to its revenue and profitability, as more businesses and governments move their operations to the cloud. Amazon's advertising business has also grown rapidly, as the company has developed new ad formats and platforms to help brands reach their target audiences. The company's physical retail operations, including its Whole Foods Market and Amazon Go stores, have also expanded, as Amazon seeks to create new shopping experiences and build stronger relationships with its customers. The launch of Amazon Web Services in 2006 marked a pivotal moment in Amazon's history, as the company shifted its focus from e-commerce to cloud computing and began to build a new business model around scalable, on-demand infrastructure and services. AWS has since become one of the largest and most successful cloud computing platforms in the world, with a vast ecosystem of developers, partners, and customers. The success of AWS has been a major driver of Amazon's profitability, as the company has been able to leverage its cloud infrastructure to support its e-commerce business and generate significant revenue from its cloud services. The launch of AWS also marked a significant shift in Amazon's culture, as the company began to prioritize innovation and experimentation in its cloud business, driving new technologies and business models that have transformed the tech industry. The impact of AWS on Amazon's financial performance has been significant, as the company has been able to generate substantial revenue and profitability from its cloud business. AWS has also enabled Amazon to invest in new areas, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and physical retail, further diversifying its business and driving growth. The success of AWS has also created new opportunities for Amazon, as the company has been able to expand its cloud services into new markets and industries, including government, healthcare, and finance. The launch of AWS has also driven innovation and competition in the tech industry, as other companies have sought to replicate Amazon's success in cloud computing and develop their own cloud platforms and services. The AWS platform has continued to evolve and expand, with new services and features being added regularly, as Amazon seeks to stay ahead of the competition and meet the evolving needs of its customers. The company has also invested heavily in its cloud infrastructure, building new data centers and expanding its network of edge locations to improve performance and reduce latency. The success of AWS has also driven the development of new technologies and business models, as companies and developers leverage the platform to build new applications and services. The launch of AWS has been a pivotal moment in Amazon's history, marking a significant shift in the company's business model and driving growth, innovation, and profitability. One of the most significant benefits of AWS has been its ability to enable businesses and governments to innovate and experiment with new technologies and business models, as the company has provided a scalable and on-demand infrastructure for testing and deploying new applications and services. The AWS platform has also driven the development of new industries and ecosystems, as companies and developers leverage the platform to build new businesses and create new opportunities. The success of AWS has also created new challenges for Amazon, as the company must continually innovate and invest in its cloud business to stay ahead of the competition and meet the evolving needs of its customers. The launch of AWS has been a defining moment in Amazon's history, marking a significant shift in the company's business model and driving growth, innovation, and profitability. In summary, Amazon's unstoppable empire is built on a foundation of customer-obsessed culture, innovation, and diversification of services. From its early days as an online bookstore to its current status as a global e-commerce powerhouse, Amazon has continually innovated and adapted to changing consumer behavior and technological advancements. The company's focus on customer service, its innovative culture, and its expansion into new industries and markets have all contributed to its success, and its launch of AWS marked a pivotal moment in its history, driving growth, innovation, and profitability. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Amazon's future. Do you think the company can continue to dominate the e-commerce space, or will new competitors emerge to challenge its position? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be exploring another fascinating business empire and uncovering the secrets behind its success.